Hey girlfriends, welcome back to the channel for another vlog. If you're new here, my name is GeranikaMycia, but all my friends call me G, and welcome back to the channel, girl, for another vlog. I just finished recording 2 videos. One should be some sponsor content. I'm about to drink this wine, California Roots. I'm not gonna turn the lighting down, because if I turn the lighting down, y'all, it's gonna get dark. The lighting is so weird. This wine, y'all, is $5 at Target. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. My favorite one is their Pinot Grigio, but I'm a white wine type of girl. They didn't have Pinot Grigio, so I got this one, and it's okay. I'm gonna give her, she's a 7 out of 10. She's okay. Y'all, I had a turkey burger for the first time. I've been cooking at home. I'm proud of myself. Y'all, that turkey burger was so good. So now most likely I'm about to cook another one. I'm gonna do that. I have to, before I leave though, I have to do the try on portion. If you're a content creator, you already know the try on portion is like the worst part. I hate trying on clothes. I hate it with a passion. Like, I'm that girl who will go in the store and I'll be like, putting it around my body, like, I could fit this, I could fit this. So the fact that I have to try on these clothes, girl, I'm not in the mood for it. But I'm about to do it while I already have my hair and makeup done, so I don't have to worry about having to do that. All I can do is edit. Y'all know how I told y'all that I be watching those home tours. I found a good one, y'all. I'm gonna link it down below if I don't forget. This one, it has penthouses in New York, I think Miami. Girl, these houses are so good. Like, I've been watching this. I think this is maybe a 4-hour video. I've had this on TV since maybe 7 a.m. But anyways, girl, I'm rambling. Just wanted to come and say, hey girl, hey, I have my playlist playing. And yeah, we're about to finish the try on, and I'll see you girls later. Y'all, these turkey burgers are about to be amazing. I'm frying them like on a low fire in olive oil. Y'all, they are seasoned to perfection. And I also got these buns from Trader Joe's. These are actually whole wheat buns, so, and they're actually pretty good. From now on, anytime I do burgers, most likely I'm going to do turkey burgers with these buns because I love them. So while my food finished, I'm actually about to sit here, catch up on some YouTube videos, and I'm about to edit a video that needs to go up tomorrow. Also, you guys are going to be seeing this sweatshirt probably in every vlog. Anytime, I'm that type of person. Anytime I go through my clothes and I find something that I'm like, I never wore this before. I actually got this during a sponsored shift that I was doing like last year, and I was like, oh, this is so cute, I'm gonna wear it. Never wore it, y'all. I ended up putting it on one day because I was cold up in here, and been wearing it, feel like every day ever since. So I'm about to edit my video, have my glass of wine, and watch YouTube videos. And every time I talk to y'all, I feel like I'm saying I'm having a glass of wine. Y'all, oh my god, my camera about to die. I only drink on the weekends, and usually I only have like a glass of wine on a Saturday, because on Sundays I usually don't drink wine. I usually kind of like detox, drink a lot of water to get my week started, but I didn't drink yesterday, so today we're having our glass of wine and we're gonna just edit and watch some YouTube videos. So I'll see you guys later. I'll see y'all once probably the food finished, because yeah, my camera about to die, so well, I don't know. Okay guys, so I have been actually, oh, let me pause the TV, hold up. I'm actually watching Cassie. All right, y'all, so I have been kind of like changing up the wall just a little, zhuzhing it up. Usually I don't have like 3 items. Like this shelf here, it only had 2 items, so I'm kind of like playing around with it just to, like, I don't know, see more things, have more things on display. This bag here, if we're being honest guys, I never wear it, but I'm not ready to get rid of her because for some reason I just have like a weird connection with that girl. But I've added more things, pulled more things from my closet, and as you can see, the shelf looks very, very full, and I'm actually liking it. So I think I'm gonna try to start adding like 2 bags, and maybe a pair of shoes. I just like the vibe that it's getting. I like the vibe that it is giving. Look at these. I purchased these from Zara, and can y'all believe they were on like a special, you know that how Zara has that special price? But girl, wow, she definitely just fell completely on my head because she decided not to stay in her place. Wow. Oh, so stressful. Hold on, girl. Okay, so basically this little cubby does not want to be on display. So I have these little acrylic shelves from Amazon, but I feel like this bag, it's a little, y'all, this bag, I probably wore this thing once. It's still super structured, but it still has like a little squishy vibe. Oh, look at that color. That is so beautiful. I just don't feel like the Gigi Marmont aged very well, but I'm just not ready to part ways with her. But my goal was to kind of like have it on display because I really want the blue shoes, but I don't like the way that look. This bag has to be elevated. Wow, do we have any other bags we can switch it out for? No, so we're about to make it work. Hold on. See, I just like the way that look. Hopefully it stays. I'm sure I'm gonna leave to go to yoga, come back, and this will all be on the floor. But I just wanted to come and show you guys. This is actually about to get changed out. I have something coming for that. Hopefully in this vlog, you guys will be able to see that because I'm so excited for what we're gonna be changing this out. When it comes to the wall, y'all, I just wanna have fun with it. This is the only place in my apartment that I get to kind of like show my fun side, because everything else in the apartment is very like aesthetically pleasing, and I feel like this wall is just my vibe. For those of you who have been asking about the lamp, she's definitely there. I don't really turn her on as much as I should, but she's there, girl. And yeah, I added some shoes down here just to have some space. The wall is walling. When we change this out, y'all, it's gonna be so freaking fabulous. But I honestly just came to show y'all I like the way this looks with so many different things on it. So what I'm gonna start doing is, right now I'm actually trying to plan for fall to see how I want to do it. I know I want to do tall boots up here, but we'll see. I'm definitely going to change this all out for fall because I have some bomb ass fall boots that needs to be on display. So yep, I'm about to get ready for yoga.
You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody. I just fell in love, and I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive, and they work me so damn hard. Work by night, then I'll pass 5, and they work my nerves. That's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation, I'm looking for a new foundation. Yeah.
All right, y'all, so I'm just now leaving Home Goods. I just actually left the gym and I stopped by Home Goods because I usually, well, I actually have a few of these things that I absolutely love. Hold on, let me sit y'all down. I'm not gonna be on camera right now because I look a mess. So I usually use these things for different things. I actually have, right now, I have like maybe 2 of them. Like right now I have brown sugar in this one, and I went back to Home Goods today because I told y'all I make lemon water like once a week, and I just drink it constantly because I don't drink anything else besides green tea, iced green tea, lemon water, and like my coffee in the morning. And I put lemons in here because if you get these, it just helps your lemons kind of like keep them fresh for longer periods of time. And look at that, these are fresh. They're still hard, they're not super soft or molded. And I actually went to Sam's to make groceries, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see me. Hold on. I went to Sam's to make groceries, and I have all these lemons. So I basically went to Home Goods to get this baby. Now these are vacuum sealed. You put them on there and slap it on. And I highly recommend them. These were $6.99 and I absolutely love them. I wish I can find some more like this. Anytime I see these, I'm gonna just start picking them up because I want probably maybe like 5 more of these because they come in handy. But I got this one to put all my lemons in. Let's hope. Should I take this off before? Okay, let's just use a lemon because if my lemons don't fit in here, y'all, it's going back. Let's see. Oh, it fit. Okay, hold on. Let me wash this and then we can use it. So basically in my refrigerator, I told y'all that I really wanted kind of like everything to be organized and pretty. So I've been buying like different containers and racks and shelves and stuff just to have things a little more cohesive and organized, so it's not just like all over the place and just looking a hot unorganized mess. Oh, my shirt is super sweaty. She had to go.
You left my heart out when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around.
This is how it looks. I absolutely love it, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I'm actually gonna put it in the refrigerator on this side. I wanted to take these little paper things off, but when I started to try to like rip them off, they were just giving me a hard time. I ain't got time for that. But look how cute this is. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and I also picked up these trays. Now this is going to be in the refrigerator for my wine. Now this is something I would highly recommend because I feel like it's just going to be so useful. Instead of having my wine just flying everywhere in the fridge, you can buy these. Now this is from Home Goods, and this is the I Design brand, and these were $6.99, sis. I would highly recommend these. And also the thing about these that I love, they can be stacked like that, so you can put it in your fridge and just put your wine in and out. So I plan on probably getting 2 more of these to keep in my fridge because I like my wine to be chilled. I'm a white wine drinker, and I just felt like this was perfect. I don't have a wine rack on a counter, so we're gonna make a little wine situation in the fridge. Now I said I wasn't gonna come on camera because I look a hot mess. Hold on, let me put y'all down. But we need the chitty chat. So y'all can pretty much talk to me while I wash my wig. I want to know, are y'all going to Aaliyah's meet and greet? Girl, her meet and greet is at Toast on Lennox. Y'all know Aaliyah's about to cut up at this meet and greet. She's about to go all out. She's gonna give the girls vibes, aesthetics. She's about to have like the meet and greet of all meet and greets. Like, I just feel it in my soul. I'm laughing because my sister, y'all, this girl is claiming it. She's literally praying about it. This girl literally wants to go to this meet and greet. And I just think it's so hilarious that she even got my nephew over here saying, it's okay, we're gonna keep praying about it, you gonna get picked. Girl, I'm like, the things the girls do for Aaliyah, I think this is gonna be so good. It's like watching Aaliyah evolve has just been such an amazing journey. It literally feels like you know her. That's how much like you watch her and you just feel so connected to her. So I feel like the people who get chose to go to her meet and greet, y'all gonna enjoy it. But I hope Aaliyah like record it so the people who won't be able to go, they get to see it.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no.
I don't have a plastic bag. Baby, I was trying to be too bougie. I didn't have no plastic bags in the house. I'm like, dang. Cause you know one thing the black people gonna do is use a plastic bag for a trash bag. I've been waiting for a package and it just came, and they're these Gucci frames, y'all. They have like, let me see if you can see it. They have like a yellow tint and it's like a shield aviator vibe. Y'all, these are so freaking fabulous. I'm going to link them down below. I feel like it don't make sense for me to try them on now because 1, I look a mess, and 2, it looks better when I have, I'm sure it'll look better when I have on makeup. So yeah, look how pretty these are. And I love, if you can see it, it's kind of like, it has like a kind of like an arch or a curve to it, so it like just literally hugs my face so perfect. They are oversized, and y'all know I love me a transparent tinted lens. So yeah, these are bomb.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me.
10 years and you haven't proposed though? And you showed her a ring and didn't propose? Oh yeah, I would have broke up with you too. You would have never saw me again.
Right here.
Ever.
We have sometimes we do when you don't.
No, baby, she should have broke up with you. She should have left you.
Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I just made it back home. Let me push y'all back. Y'all, I feel so beautiful. The thotty whiteys are back, okay? Y'all, today has been a long day. I did so much today, but today everything was just like worth it, okay? Because when I called a few hours ago, I was like, can I please try to squeeze in a nail appointment? And it was like, okay, come on. And they actually gave me the guy that I like to do my nails and my toes. Y'all, you can't tell me nothing. I feel all that in a bag of chips, okay? Y'all, look at all of this stuff in my pocket. This is ridiculous. It's like a kangaroo pouch, girl, full of everything. Literally, it's like a purse. I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm probably about to eat another turkey burger and call it a day, y'all. I've done everything. Today has been a long day. I've actually been up since maybe 6, like 5:30-ish, but I got out of bed like at 6, and I'm just ready to get on the couch. And I can't get on the couch because I got on outside clothes, so I need to take a shower and just relax. I feel so productive. I did 2 videos. I got my nails done. I actually packed some stuff that I needed to pack for some content I need to shoot. It's dirty in here, but we'll clean up tomorrow. Today, y'all, this list, I had to put a list on the counter. I literally had a list of things that I needed to do because today was a very overwhelming day. But I feel like I got most of everything done. I have like 2 things left on my list that's nothing. I could do those things tomorrow. But for the most part, y'all, that is going to be it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy spending a day with me. And yeah, I have nothing but, you know, I'm gonna see y'all later.